How to add a thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. This tutorial shows you how to set a custom thumbnail for your shorts directly through the YouTube app on your Android device. First, make sure your YouTube app is fully up to date from the Google Play Store before getting started, as this feature is only available on the YouTube mobile app and not on desktop or YouTube Studio. After that, open the YouTube app on your Android device. From there, tap on the U tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. At this point, scroll down and tap on Your Videos to see all your uploaded content. In the next step, find the short you want to add a thumbnail to and tap on the three dots next to it. Following this, tap on Edit to open the editing screen for that short. Once done, tap on the pencil icon at the top left corner of the video preview. This is easy to miss, so look carefully. From here, you'll see 10 different frames from your short displayed at the bottom of the screen to choose from as your thumbnail. At this stage, tap on any frame you want to use as your thumbnail to select it. After this, you can also add text or apply a filter to the thumbnail using the options on the right side of the screen. Once completed, tap the checkmark icon at the top right corner to confirm your selection. Finally, tap Save to apply the thumbnail to your short. And that's it. If this YouTube guide helped you add a thumbnail to your shorts, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.